Your air compressor is a true workhorse tool, so get one that delivers industrial performance with increased durability, less noise, and faster recovery. Get an industrial-grade air compressor from Makita. Makita compressors are powered by a 4-pole induction motor with direct drive for improved power and longer operating speed. Lower RPM means less noise and easier startups. The large cast iron cylinder pumps feature Makita's exclusive big bore cylinder and piston with heavy-duty crankshafts, so your compressor gets faster recovery and increased productivity. Pro contractors require industrial-grade compressors for top job site performance. Makita industrial-grade compressors deliver proven durability, less noise, and faster recovery.